How to download Spotify songs on Spotify Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can download your Spotify song on Spotify Premium. Now to do so is quite simple, however keep note that you'll need to have Spotify Premium in order to be able to download the songs and listen to it while you are offline. It's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, open up the Spotify app, and to get a membership, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the premium option there. Simply tap on it and you can get your premium here by choosing any option that you want. Now I don't have a premium here, but I'll show you how you can download the songs. Now if you once you get the premium, what you want to do is head into any album that you want to listen songs to, and once you open up the album, here you can see the download option at the screen. At the middle of the screen, at the left hand side beside the heart icon, you can see the download option, and simply tap on it and you'll be able to download it. However, you can see it will ask you to get the premium version. Simply get the premium and you'll be able to download it. So this way you can download songs on Spotify Premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.